Hi friends, last time we have seen that how to set up the Redis cache in the local environment or local computer. This session we will see the how to how to access the cloud like cloud Redis server. Like in that actually Redis server is hosted in that cloud. How to access that cloud Redis server in our local computer or local environment. Here, there are many types of. Once again, I'm repeating this application, guys. Why we are going to use the uh, Redis cache? Actually, in any application, not only bank application. If you take that student mock list application in your company, in uh, any college or any students like SS result or intermediate result, any application that students want to access the uh, information from the website, they will have to first go to the type their hall ticket number or that employee or uh, student number in the website. It will go to the request will go to the server like backend. Backend will go to the backend will go to hit the it will try to query the DB, the database. Database database will take the data and it request to the server, and server gives the response to the server will give response to the user interface like UA. But this will done only one time. If that user want to give, want to see the again and again these result, result is not changing. If you type that result in the 100 times, if you want to see the 100 times that same result, it will say result is same. In that process, only get process only, like get method only, it will it will give that get the data. In that time, that in that time the DB, instead of DB, that in the middle of the DB and backend server, there is a called that technology we are going to use the caching technology, like server side caching technology. In this we are like some companies they are going to use the Redis cache or memcache. In this, I'm going to explain the Redis cache. Redis cache will play the key role in between the DB and backend. It will store some data up to the certain time. Instead of that backend server going to the database for retrieving the some data, it will at the first time only. After the first time completion, it's the second time onwards. It will backend server will go to hit to the uh, like Redis cache. But in the previous, I have explained the Redis cache installation in our local and server and CLI client. But today I am going to explain the Redis cache with the cloud. Cloud is there is some other clouds also there. Redis Cli cloud also there. There is a website inside of Redis Cli, Redis Cache. There is a website is available. Redis Cache cloud. But in that AWS also available. AWS Redis Cache also available. Elastic Cache. There is a service called Elastic Cache. Elastic Elastic Cache or Elastic something. What is the cache name? AWS Redis Cache. Redis Cache. Elastic cache for the Redis. This is the one of the service present in the these are resources present in the Amazon Web Services, AWS services, and Azure also. I think, but Azure also Redis cache, Azure Redis cache, Azure Microsoft Azure cache for the Redis. This is the Azure. This is the Azure for the Azure cache for the Redis. Uh, This is the Elastic Cache for the Redis. This name of the service is called Elastic Cache. This is the name of the service called Azure Cache for the Redis. in memory, and scalable solution providing the superfast data access. Actually, this purpose of this Redis cache is it will produce the uh, it produce the faster data retrieval instead of the database again querying. That server will tries to go to the Redis cache. Actually, the purpose of the cloud, why it is going to supply in the production or in the while deploying the application, that we no need to go to the we no need to maintain the this Redis server in our local computer. That's why we are going to the this Redis cloud. This is the Redis cloud or this Amazon AWS Elastic Cache or this Azure services. It will maintain the cloud itself only maintains the this Redis. Only we are going to write the application and that host name and port and that user credentials like username and password only supply this. It will store into the according to the our Redis cloud or AWS or Azure. If you want to try this Redis cloud, if you try to the Redis cloud, there is a option for first Redis. No credit card is required. Actually, that in the AWS and Azure, we are required some credit card or required some the amount is required. Like it will take 1 rupee only, 1 or 2 rupees. But credit card it will ask the credit card for the registration purpose. But the Redis Cloud will not ask any credit card or only registration. If you do this registration, it will give the it will go to the dashboard. But I'm going to the with Google Cloud. Or you can go to the GitHub also. There is some also side GitHub is also there. I'm going to the my Gmail account using. Actually, one database is available. I have practiced in this. But if you want to delete this, you can delete this one. How to delete? This here. Delete database. Okay. Delete my subscription as well. No, delete database. Okay. Subscription is present, but this is the default subscription. You can add the new subscription also. In this subscription, we are going to create the new database. Here, I'm going to creating that new database. If you want to give the database name, I'm giving the practice, or you can give the practice practice DB. You can leave with the default type is the Redis stack. In this security, go to the security. Here, username is the default. Username is default. If you want to give the username, it will ask if you give the default itself. Password is this one. If you want to copy this one, you can copy also. Paste somewhere. A notepad. I'm taking this new notepad. Username, default, password, copy this one. If you don't want, Redis Cloud, you can take Redis Cloud. Okay, you can minimize this and activate. You can do the not required. If you don't require that number of connections has reached total size data sets under this plan. If you want this, you can make this changes. But I'm not doing any changes. I'm only doing the activate database. Never. Few seconds, we will get the edit database here. Collapse database. This is the database we have seen previously, but this one is our new created database. If you want to delete this one, but we want to practice this, come to the here, all database, here database is If you want to connect this database, this cloud services with our local computer, you can go to the here the Redis inside, but I'm going to connect with like how to work with commands. Like previously, how I have worked with the commands. Like that, I'm going to work here. If you copy this one, if you want to copy this one, copy that one, and come to the command prompt. Come to the command prompt or terminal in your computer. If you copy this one and U is unrecognized option, bad number of arguments. Hmm. Yeah, finally we have come. We have come with the new connection string with the connecting with the Redis cloud from our local computer. If you go to the connect here, we are going to see the here Redis client. Here there is a host name called. This is the Redis hyphen our Redis hyphen some host name here available. Copy this one and come to the notepad. Come to the notepad and host name here, type here and save the port number also. Port number is 1414918 here, and password also. Password also. Password is present here. Here, if you come here are available here also. No problem. Both both are same, and minimize this one and come to the our terminal, or open the fresh terminal or open the previous terminal also. It's better to open the fresh terminal. Come here and Redis CLI. First, before going to the connection string, I'm going to the show the some comments here. Hyphen help. Here, come here. Here, H is the host name, P is the port number for S is the socket, override the host name and port, and A is the password. We are going to use these three commands hyphen H, hyphen P, and hyphen A to connecting with the local computer to Redis cloud, local computer to this Redis cloud. Already I have I have created the string here, connection string or endpoint you can call as, and come here CLS and copy this one. Please enter this CL. That is CLA hyphen H. This is the host name, hyphen B port number, hyphen A password, and enter. We got this connection string here. Enter first. You have to see any keys are present or not. See here, one key is present. If you want to see the key, get username. Get username. If you want to see the, if you want to see the that key and that key value, get username. Raju, we got. If you set that you something one more key, age. Set age is equals to 25. See, we have set that age. If you see this, if you want to see the keys, again keys start. See, we got this like this. If you want to set the city, if you want to set the city is Hyderabad. If you want to see the keys start. City is username. City is username. Get city. Get age. Get username. Like this we are getting. If you want to set some expiry time, uh, set set personal or email. You can set email. I'm giving here. Chekri Jallu Jallu at the rate of gmail.com. EX10. I'm setting here. Okay. After 10 seconds, it disappears. If you want to see, key star. See, email is there. Get email. See, get email, chekrijalli at the rate of gmail.com. If you see again, after 10 seconds, see, email is disappeared. Like this, we are going to set key star, and if you want to delete, it will disappear or deleted. Dil, del city. If you want to see, city is not there. If you want to delete all, flush all. Okay, flush all. If you want to see it, keys see empty list or settler. Like this, we are going to experiment that. Actually, previously I have connected with that local Redis server, but I am connected with the now I'm connected with the Redis Cloud. Like this, we are going to connect with the Redis Cloud using this endpoints. Actually, here given one endpoint, it is not working. I have tried, it is not working. I'm getting some errors or argument errors are coming, but I have tried my own like this using that Redis help, Redis CLA help. Like this, it is worked perfectly. It is worked. See, I'm working with comments also like this. If you like my content and if you like my content and explanation, please like and subscribe my channel.